Okay, can you read what is written on the board?
सर थोड़ा ब्लर दिख रहा है.
Okay,
ब्लर है सर थोड़ा.
okay, मैं अभी मीटिंग लेफ्ट कर रहा हूँ और फिर से ज्वाइन करता हूँ. ओके, वेट.
ओके सर.
Okay, it is not working right now. What happened? I don't know.
सर दिख रहा है.
Is it clear? थोड़ा सा blurred है लेकिन आप पहचान सकते हो what is written on the board, right?
यस सर.
What is this word?
सोलर
सोलर
सेल.
सेल.
Okay. Yesterday we started it. I also introduced it and also completed the construction. Okay. In the short, I will explain it again. What is solar cell? Solar cell is the semiconductor device. It is a PN junction diode by which we can convert solar energy into electrical energy. Okay. It is a simply semiconductor device. It is the application of semiconductor जो हमने छोड़ दिया था. Right? Solar cell. So what is the construction of solar cell? Yesterday we completed this also. Construction. Right? It consists silicon material in which pentavalent impurity is added. Okay? Maximum material is doped with pentavalent impurity, that is phosphorus. Right? Pentavalent impurity. What happens when we add pentavalent impurity? It becomes
N-type, sir.
N-type material. And when we add trivalent impurity like boron, what will happen? It becomes P-type. But what is the property of this p type? This p type has very small thickness as compared to n type in given material. Okay, and whenever p type and n type material get fused, what will happen? Holes from the p type and electron from the n type will start penetrate into each other. Electron will penetrate into p type and holes will penetrate into n type. And what will happen? There is a formation of neutral charges, neutral particles, right? That particle is nothing but electron hole pair, which act like a barrier for further penetration of holes into the n type and further penetration of electron into the p type. Okay, so this layer acts as a barrier for further penetration, and that layer is known as depletion layer. Depletion layer. And this whole device is known as PN junction diode. Okay, same thing will be happen here. Okay, where p type and n type material will get fused. That's why there is a formation of depletion layer. What is meant by depletion layer? Electron layer. Right? So this is basic construction. Above this p type, there is one metallic contact for the connection of circuit, and also below n type there is one metallic contact. Right? What are the charge carrier in p type? That is the hole. Okay, and in n type, electron is the charge carrier. Right? And above this p type, there is one layer of silicon dioxide. Okay, this silicon dioxide layer will act as a anti-reflection coating. Okay, this silicon dioxide layer will act as an anti-reflection coating, right? By which whatever light is incident on this coating will get totally absorbed. There is a no reflection. Okay, this is the basic construction of solar cell. So whatever light is incident, that totally incident on p-type material. Which type material? P-type material, not on n-type material. Okay, that is totally absorbed by anti-reflection coating and transferred to the p-type material. So whatever light is incident by that construction is on p-type material, and this is a diode. This is a basic construction of solar cell. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, we have to see the working. Solar cell is work on the photovoltaic effect. Okay, there are two types of effect. First one is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect, and second one is photovoltaic effect. But before photovoltaic, what is photoelectric effect? If there is only any certain metallic plate, if light incident on this metal plate with a proper frequency, okay, then there is a ejection of electron. Then there is a ejection of electron from the metal plate, and this negative electron will be captured by positive terminal of the circuit. And because of this incidence of light, this electron will be attracted by positive terminal, and you can say current is flowing because of light. But electron is rejected from the metal plate, means our metal plate lose the electron. This losing of electron into the current is known as photoelectric effect. Okay, but what is photovoltaic effect? बोर्ड दिख रहा है ना आपको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear दिख रहा है. Yes, sir.
Photovoltaic effect. What is photovoltaic effect? Okay, photovoltaic effect is happened here. If there is one diode, p-n junction diode, there is one junction of electron hole pair. If light is incident on this junction, what will happen? This electron hole pair will get separated. Means in p type of holes and in n type there is only formation of electron. यहाँ के इलेक्ट्रॉन होल पेयर सेपरेट हो जाएंगे किसकी वजह से, लाइट की वजह से, राइट, separated. This is like a positive terminal and this will act like a negative terminal. And if you connected any circuit to this diode, this will act like a positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery. This positive terminal attracts the electron from the circuit and you can observe the potential along the potentiometer, right? So because of this positive negative charges separation, there is a generation of potential difference and because of that potential difference, current is flowing through the circuit. This is also a electric effect, but charges flowing from n type to p type. Again our charges come in the same material. Okay, यहाँ पे charges lose हो रहे थे, यहाँ पे वैसा कुछ हो रहा है क्या, नहीं हो रहा है. Charges will come again back in the same material because of light and we get some electric effect. This effect is known as photovoltaic effect. Okay, is you understood difference between photoelectric and photovoltaic?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, other student, this is the basic
Yes,
difference.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In the photoelectric effect, electron will be loosed by the metal and here there is no loss of electron. There is only separation of charge carrier, positive and negative charge carrier. That separation of charge carriers will be acted like a battery, like a power supply, which generates a potential difference. Okay, because of that potential difference, current is flowing through the circuit, and you can also observe the potential difference through potentiometer. Okay, in terms of voltage, and that potential difference is generated because of incidence light. Means whatever light energy is incident, that will be converted into electrical energy. This effect is known as photo. Photo means light. लाइट की वजह से वोल्टेज जनरेट हो रहा है. वोल्टेज मींस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, राइट. दिस इफेक्ट इज नोन एज फोटोवोल्टाइक इफेक्ट. इज इट क्लियर? On the basis of this effect, our solar cell will be worked. Okay, what will happen? We have to understand. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So working of the solar cell. Okay, this is our solar cell. It contains anti-reflection coating. Right? Below the anti-reflection coating, there is a P-type substrate, and below P-type substrate, there is our depletion layer, which contains electron hole pair. Okay, which contains electron hole pair. And above this, there is only holes, P-type material, charge carrier as a whole. And below this depletion layer, there is only electron, N-type material. This board is visible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So if light is incident on the anti-reflection coating, what is the work of anti-reflection coating? By its name,
Absorb the
anti-reflection. Okay, absorb whole light. Okay, there is no reflection of light. So whatever light is incident, that will be absorbed by anti-reflection coating. That absorbed light is incident on P-type material, which is very thin substrate. Okay, because of their thinness, totally light is incident on the PN junction. Okay, whatever junction is there, light is directly come on the junction, means on the depletion layer. And when light is incident on the depletion layer, what will happen? This depletion layer contains electron hole pair. What is the content of depletion layer? It contains electron hole pair. This electron hole pair gets separated. And in the P-type, there is only holes and in n-type there is only electron. Can you tell me what is the charge on holes, positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive, sir.
Positive charge.
Positive, sir.
Okay, positive charge. And on the electron there is negative charge. And if you connect any circuit to this charge particle, what do you observe? You observe potential difference. What is potential? V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Here is positive charge, that's why here is positive potential. And here is negative charge, that's why here is negative potential. And also in the battery. What is in the battery? There is positive terminal and negative terminal. If you connect any circuit to this battery, what will happen? This positive have positive potential and this negative have negative potential. ये जितना ज्यादा बड़ा होगा पॉजिटिव की तरफ बढ़ेगा, ये जितना ज्यादा छोटा होगा उतना नेगेटिव की तरफ बढ़ेगा, दोनों में डिफरेंस ज्यादा होगा, right? If this difference is more, then this positive charge will attract the negative charge. Okay, negative charge means electrons, and electrons will flow from the circuit towards the positive terminal, right? And this flow of electron is known as current, and this flow of current is totally depends upon this potential difference, how much charges is separated, positive and negative. Same thing will be happened here. Here is positive terminal, here is negative terminal. This positive terminal will attract the negative charges. Are you understanding what I am saying? And this flow
Yes,
of
sir, yes.
electron
Yes, sir.
is known as current, right? So you can see when light is incident, what will happen? These charges will get separated. P type will act as a positive terminal and N type as a negative terminal. And we get one electric effect. Okay, there is a generation of voltage because of separation of charges, like a battery. Okay, there is a generation of potential or voltage. That's why this effect is known as photovoltaic effect. So whatever energy is incident on the solar cell will be converted into physical energy in that manner. Is it clear? Is it clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Did you understood working of solar cell?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, आपके 12th स्टैंडर्ड
Yes,
में भी
sir,
अच्छे से
yes.
दिया है. आपका 12th स्टैंडर्ड का बुक देखो, उसमें भी यही वर्किंग दिया है. Is it clear? So right
Yes,
now
sir.
we have to find the efficiency of solar cell. What is efficiency? What is meant by efficiency?
Output upon input, sir.
Output by input.
Right. Okay. How much energy, which energy, light energy is converted into electrical energy. Right? If efficiency is more, then maximum light energy will be converted into electrical energy. We have to find the efficiency of solar cell. Okay. In terms of one definition, fill factor. What is that fill factor? Okay. Shall I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Before understanding the fill factor, please try to understand open circuit voltage. Okay, what is meant by open circuit voltage? Is I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, open circuit voltage. Right? When any circuit has infinite resistance. Okay, when any circuit has infinite resistance, whatever voltage provided by the battery is known as open circuit voltage. Okay, this is the electrical term, right? When circuit has infinite impedance, impedance means resistance, okay, then whatever circuit provided by the battery, that voltage is known as open circuit voltage according to Ohm's law. What is V? What is V according to Ohm's law?
V is equal to
IR. What is value of R from this? V divided by I, right? If R is equals to infinity, can you tell me the value of I from this?
Zero, sir.
Zero.
No, sir.
What this indicates? In our circuit there is zero current. Why zero current? Because there is infinite resistance and there existence of voltage. That voltage, okay, whatever voltage is provided by which we doesn't get any current, that voltage is known as open circuit voltage. We have to provide some voltage, but we doesn't get any current in the circuit. Okay, that voltage is known as open circuit voltage. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose our solar cell contains positive terminal and negative terminal, and you doesn't connect any circuit. So this is the ideal voltage produced by our solar cell. Okay, ideally ये इतना ही कर सकता है, इतना ही produce कर सकता है. Are you understanding what is meant by open circuit? There is no circuit connected. Whatever voltage produced by the solar cell, that is the ideal voltage, which is known as open circuit voltage. Are you understanding what is meant by ideal?
Yes, sir.
ये इतना ही प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, राइट? अगेन सेकेंड टर्म, शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट, राइट? What is meant by short circuit current? If our circuit consists resistance equals to 0. Okay, can you tell me the value of R, V divided by I is equals to 0? What this indicate? Value of V is 0. There is the existence of some current because of resistance is 0. Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This current is known as short circuit current. Okay, so there is one ideal power. What is meant by power? It is current into voltage.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this ideal power is given by IST into VOC. Okay, this is the ideal power which is generated by our solar cell, but we get always less power than this ideal power. That power is known as maximum power. Produced by the solar cell is nothing but maximum current flowing through the circuit which is connected to the solar cell into potential difference or voltage connected, that maximum produced by the solar cell, and ratio of power maximum to the power ideal of the solar cell is known as fill factor. This gives the efficiency of solar cell. Okay, ratio of maximum power produced by the solar cell to the ideal power of the solar cell is known as efficiency, or it is also known as fill factor of the solar cell. Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how you can write it as? What is power maximum? I max into V max dy by ISC into VOC. Okay, suppose I draw a diagram, I versus V. Okay, what is VOC? What is VOC? What is the value of current for VOC?
Zero,
Value
sir.
of current for
Voltage
VOC? 0.
0, sir.
Okay, this is VOC. Right? Similarly, what is ISC? At ISC, what is value of VO? Voltage. At ISC, what is value of voltage? That is 0. This is the value of ISC. Right? And what is power? Power is nothing but multiplication of current and voltage. This is the maximum or ideal power. Ideal power produced by solar cell. And always, whatever power that is generated by our solar cell is always less than this. And it is denoted by like this. This is the maximum power. This graph indicates the ideal power. And this graph is it clear? This is the graphical for the solar. Is it clear? It's characteristic.
Yes, sir.
This is the ideal condition. And this is the maximum actually produced. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is all about solar cell. There are different applications of solar cell, and that application you know very well. Okay, solar cell कहाँ पे use होता है efficiently as compared to our normal sources. Okay, so normal electrical sources. कहाँ पे use कर सकते हो आप solar cell? इसमें मैं 2-3 एग्जांपल बताऊंगा और बाकी आप नोट्स में भी पढ़ सकते हो. Right?
Okay, sir.
On the street light. कभी ऑब्जर्व किया है क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You can use on the street light, on the high altitude, like mountain. Okay, on the mountains, there is no possibility to transfer electricity from power station to the high altitude. So at the high altitude, you can use the solar cell, by which you can convert solar energy into electrical energy. So at high altitude, solar cell can be used. Right? Again, at space station, in the space, okay, there is a need of electrical energy. Okay, for some devices in the satellites or any space station. Right? So you can use solar cell for the conversion of electricity. Okay, solar cell is also used in space stations. Use कर सकते हो space station. Maximum satellite will be worked on the solar cell electricity. Okay, और बता सकते हो कहाँ पे यूज होता है? Okay, there are lots of applications for the solar cell. You can write anything. Okay, I will provide the notes. Please read it and you can write.
Okay.
Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is all about solar cell. And this is the
Sir,
application
वो-
of semiconductor. हाँ बोलो.
सर वो मैक्स पावर प्लस या मल्टीप्लाई सर वो?
कहाँ पे? Sorry, ये multiply. Okay, what is power? Power is nothing but current into voltage. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Power
sir.
is nothing but current into voltage. Please remember that. पढ़ा नहीं है क्या आपने ऐसा कुछ?
पढ़ा है, sir.
Okay. Please remember this. What is VOC and ISC? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, shall I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today I am starting your new unit. That is unit number 5. What is the name of unit number 5? magnetism and superconductivity. Okay, here are two chapters. First one is magnetism and superconductivity. Okay, you are familiar little bit with magnetism, and this is a new word for you, superconductivity, right? पढ़ा है क्या magnetism के बारे में?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose there is one wire which contains atom, and atom contains electrons and protons and neutrons. Okay, so we can say our wire contains charged particle, electrons and protons. But what is the total charge on the wire? Is it positive, negative, or neutral?
Neutral, sir.
Suppose this is a copper wire. Is there any charge?
No, sir.
Is there any charge? Okay, initially wire is neutral. Initially wire is neutral. But if I connected with the battery, current flowing through it, I. अब क्या होगा? वायर न्यूट्रल होगा या चार्ज होगा?
Charge होगा sir.
Charge.
Current is nothing but flow of charges. Then current flowing through the wire. Then wire is neutral or charged? I am asking about whole
Charged.
wire. कैसे चार्ज होगा? उसमें से चार्जेस बाहर जा रहे हैं क्या?
No, sir. No.
तो उस पे चार्ज कहाँ से आ रहा है? आप चार्ज बोल रहे हो. Is there any charge?
Battery.
No, sir.
After the
No.
flow of current, again our whole wire is neutral. Okay. Suppose I
Okay, sir.
place a charge particle Q here. Is there any effect on the charge particle Q because of wire, current carrying wire? कुछ फोर्स लगेगा क्या Q पे?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अगर हमने दो चार्जेस ऐसे रखे तो एक चार्ज क्या करता है? दूसरे चार्ज पे फोर्स लगाता है. दैट फोर्स इज नथिंग बट 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the.
Yes.
अब इस पे चार्ज है क्या?
No, sir.
Then how it apply the force on this charge? Is there any force on
No,
this
sir.
charge
Not.
because of current carrying wire? There is no force. Means there is a no electric force. That is Coulomb force. This is also known as electric force. Right? But when you give the velocity to the charge in this direction, okay, क्या किया हमने? चार्ज को वेलोसिटी दी इस डायरेक्शन में, तो चार्ज इसी डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए था क्योंकि इनिशियली उस पर कोई फोर्स नहीं लग रहा था. बट चार्ज विल डिफ्लेक्ट इन दिस डायरेक्शन. So what this indicates? When charge comes in motion, then current carrying wire apply the force on the charge particle, moving charge particle. Are you understanding what I am saying? When
Yes,
charge
sir.
comes in motion, then current carrying wire applied the force. That's why charge deflected in this direction. Is this force is electric force? अभी मूव होने के बाद जो फोर्स है क्या?
No, sir.
क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि हमारा वायर अभी भी उसमें टोटल चार्ज 0 है और इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स दो चार्जेस के बीच में लगता है. तो कौन सा फोर्स लगा है? दिस इफेक्ट इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट. मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. चैप्टर में आपको था ना इंस्टेंट. Okay, you are studying this topic from 10th standard. Magnetic effect of electric current. If any charged particle is in motion with velocity v, then current carrying wire act like a magnet and apply a force on the charged particle. That force is known as Lorentz force. Q into V bar cross B bar. Is it clear what I am saying? This is charge on charge particle, and this is the velocity of charge particle. If velocity is 0, then total force, that is a magnetic force, okay, which is also known as Lorentz force. Okay, it is a part of Lorentz force, right? So this force is totally depend upon the moving charge particle. Is it clear what I am saying? And this effect is known as magnetic effect of electric current, and this experiment is done by one scientist, Oersted. And this experiment is known as Oersted experiment. Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Magnetic effect किसके वजह से होता है? Because of electric current. Okay. So what is this magnet? Okay, magnet क्या होता है? ये आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है, बस ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया मैंने. Okay, what is magnet? Okay, simply bar magnet. What is bar magnet? Which consists North Pole and
South.
South Pole. Right? It is a bar magnet. It is known as bar magnet. It is also known as a dipole. It is also known as dipole. Right? Why dipole? It is a North Pole and South Pole, two poles. What is the direction of magnetic field? Outside the magnet, it is travel from north to south. फील्ड क्या होती है वो भी हमको पढ़ना है, लेकिन शुरू में सेंटेंस यूज कर रहा हूँ. राइट? डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज फ्रॉम नॉर्थ to south outside the magnet, and inside the magnet it is traveling from south to the north. Okay, means it completes one complete cycle. Outside the magnet it is traveling from north to south, but within the magnet it travels from south to north. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a bar magnet. Okay, but why some material acts like a magnet and why some material does not show the magnetic properties? Why some material shows the magnetic properties and why some materials does not show the magnetic properties? अगर मैं इस चौक को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में लेके जाऊंगा तो कुछ इफेक्ट होगा क्या? Is there any effect on the chalk?
No, sir.
Okay, there is no effect on the chalk of the magnetic field. Why? Because this material does not support to the magnetic field. Okay, this is not the magnetic material. So why this material is not the magnetic material, and why iron acts as a magnetic material which attract the magnet? Okay, which iron is attracted by the magnet, right? So iron will support the magnetic field. It acts like a magnetic material. So why some material acts like a magnet? Okay, and why some material does not support to the magnetic field? So why some material shows magnetism and why some material does not show the magnetism? What is meant by magnet? It must contain north pole and south pole. This is a dipole. Okay, and this dipole is given by mu is equals to current into area. Okay, like our current carrying wire, it acts like a magnet which generates north pole and south pole, right? Which generates north pole and south pole. What is the direction of magnetic field here? It is given by, suppose current is flowing in upper direction in a straight wire. Magnetic field की direction क्या है? You want to curl the finger and thumb shows the direction of current and curl of finger shows the direction of magnetic field. तो इसके सराउंडिंग में एक सर्कुलर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड तैयार हो जाएगी. Is it clear what I am saying? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And that magnet has north pole and south pole, and that bar magnet has some strength. That strength is known as a dipole, which is given by I into A, current into area. Okay, so why some material behave like a magnetic material and why some material does not support to the magnetic field, or it shows magnetism and does not show the magnetism. It is totally responsible because of their motions of the electron. Okay, magnetism is the property shown by some material only because of their electronic motion. Okay, electron will be moved in a two types of angular momentum. One is orbital angular momentum and second one is spin angular momentum. What is meant by orbital angular momentum? Whatever motion on the orbit or the shell, because of that motion there is one momentum, angular momentum. L is equals to m into r bar cross v bar. And another one is spin angular momentum. वो खुद के surrounding में भी घूमते हैं. That is known as spin angular momentum. It is denoted by LS or simply S. Right? Because of these two angular momentum, there is the existence of this magnetic dipole. We have to find the formula for this magnetic dipole. Mu is equals to Ia for the electron. Is it clear? So initially we will found magnetic dipole because of orbital angular momentum and then for spin angular momentum. Is it clear what I am saying? कुछ मटेरियल मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज दिखाते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मोशन. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन. वन इज ऑर्बिटल मोशन एंड सेकेंड वन इज स्पिन मोशन. वो यहाँ पे भी घूमते हैं और खुद के सराउंडिंग में भी घूमते हैं. राइट, खुद के सराउंडिंग में भी घूमेंगे क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सपोज दिस इज आवर इलेक्ट्रॉन मूविंग ऑन द ऑर्बिट और शेल, राइट, in clockwise direction. What is current? Current is nothing but flow of charge per unit, right? What is our charge here? Electron. And what is time? Distance divided by velocity. So current is nothing but electronic charge into velocity of electron into distance covered by electron. What is the distance covered by electron? What is this distance? Circumference of circle. What is that? EV divided by 2 pi r. Right? And what is our magnetic dipole? Mu equals to I into A. So what is area covered by the electronic motion in orbit? What is the area of circle? This is our current.
Pi r square.
EV divided by 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. This pi and pi get cancel, r and this square get cancel. What is remaining? E V r divided by 2. Okay, can you tell me the angular momentum? What is meant by angular momentum? Simply magnitude wise m v into r. Is it clear what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose I multiply this term and divide by this term with respect to mass of electron. Mass by mass is 1 and I can multiply with 1, right? So mvr क्या है? L. So mu becomes, are you understanding what I am saying? mvr is the angular momentum. E into angular momentum L divided by 2m. Here is one ratio, E by 2m. Charge of the electron divided by 2 times mass of the electron. This ratio is known as gyromagnetic ratio. कभी सुना है क्या word?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Suna.
Yes, sir.
Ratio of charge to the mass. Okay? Gyromagnetic ratio. According to Bohr's second postulate, what is angular momentum? What is Bohr's second postulate? Electron is those are having angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Is it clear? So what is final
Yes, sir.
value for magnetic dipole? E n h upon 4 pi m. Is it clear? And if n having value 1 and if n having value 1, then this formula becomes mu b, and this mu b is nothing but EH upon 4 pi m. E is constant, H is constant, 4 is constant, pi is constant, and m is constant, which having value 9.274 into 10 raised to minus 24 ampere meter square. And this value is known as Bohr magneton. This value is known as Bohr magneton. What is this Bohr magneton? Okay, अभी ठीक से सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. This is a bar magnet. The strength of this magnet is given by its dipole, and which dipole mathematically its strength is represented by current into area, effective area of that current. Okay, so in the material there are electrons which are moving. Because of this electron there is a generation of current, and that current covers some area, right? It generates a dipole like this tiny bar magnet. Okay, this is the tiny bar magnet generated by one electron. Is it clear what I am saying? What is mu? It is a tiny bar magnet which is generated by one electron. Are you understanding? Which has north pole and south pole. And strength of that magnet is given by mu is equals to E NH upon 4 pi m. N is the principal quantum number जहाँ पे आपका इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होगा. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tiny bar magnet is because of orbital motion of the electron. वो ऑर्बिट में घूम रहा है इसलिए करंट प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है और ऑर्बिट का एरिया लिया है हमने. And this tiny bar magnet is known as dipole of one electron. Okay, this is a tiny bar magnet produced by the one electron, and if that electron present in the first shell means n is equals to 1, then tiny bar magnet is known as Bohr magneton. This is the minimum magnet produced by the one electron in the atom. This is the minimum dipole produced by the electron in a single atom, which having value 9.274 into 10 raised to minus 24. Okay, so this magnetic dipole is because of orbital momentum. That's why it is known as mu L. It is known as mu L. Similarly, our electron is also rotated around itself. That is known as a spin motion, which having a spin angular momentum, which is denoted by mu S. Okay, which is denoted by mu S. It is known as spin dipole, right? So what is total dipole? It is addition of dipole because of orbital momentum and dipole because of spin momentum. This is the total magnet produced by one electron because of its orbital motion as well as spin motion. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, and total mu is also known as, by that formula you have to multiply this by only S quantity. Okay, E N H divided by 4 pi m into S. This is the total tiny bar magnet produced by the one electron. Is it clear? This is the minimum tiny bar magnet. It is also known as a dipole. दो पोल exist हुए, known as dipole, and that dipole is produced by one electron, where n is the shell of the electron. Electron कौन से shell में वो आप इससे निकाल सकते हो. And this is the tiny bar magnet produced by one electron. If it consists a large number of electrons, then we have to add all the dipole of this electron. Okay, all the dipoles of the electron. Are you understanding? अगर ये फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट का इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो n की वैल्यू 1 रखनी है, राइट? अगर सेकेंड ऑर्बिट के इलेक्ट्रॉन से तो n की वैल्यू 2 रखनी है, और सबका आपको ये डायपोल कैलकुलेट करना है, और ऐसे सारे डायपोल आपको ऐड करने हैं. तो एक रिजल्टेंट एटम का एक आपको क्या मिलेगा, एटम का एक रिजल्टेंट डायपोल मिलेगा when you add the individual dipole of the electron. Okay, and if you found some resultant dipole, then that atom will be treated as a magnetic material. Otherwise, if its resultant dipole is 0, then this material will act like a non-magnetic material. Are you understanding what I am saying? Okay, I will revise it in next week again. If you have time today, then please revise our lecture by recording.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will take your attendance. Please wait. Okay, you can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome everyone.